Northbound. Maybe like 2 engines up front this time. We have the 3037 and the 805 with the car carrying rocks. Rare. That was actually the oddest start to a manifest I've ever seen. You don't expect them to have 3 freaking cars loaded with rock on one manifest. Maybe 4. Yeah, 4. Whoever came out of... There he comes. I hear the NDB ground. There he is. Here comes the NDB for this one. We have the 3100 on this. They're usually